Hello, I'm James Clarke, Managing Director at Norton Brewery and the fifth generation of the founder of the company. In 1849, my great-great-grandfather, John Harris, moved here to what was a 52-acre farm with a maltings business, so very much natural that he would try to brew with the material he was producing, which he did very much on a microbrewery scale. Clearly this had some success, because in the 1870s he built a small 3-storey brewery here. In the 1880s the railway came through Hook Norton with a difficult engineering section taking some 4 years to build, using the labour of 400 navvies who clearly had a thirst, but more importantly, once the railway was opened, it enabled us to distribute our beers further afield. So to brew our beers we have 4 key ingredients, the first one being water, which we're still drawing from wells beneath the brewery building, the same source we've been using since the brewery was started back in 1849. We'll blend that together with some malt, and we're using a variety of malt called Maris Otter, but we may flavour with 1 or 2 darker malts, maybe some crystal malt, some black or brown malt, some amber malt, so there's a whole range of malts available in the brewer's portfolio. We'll mix those 2 ingredients together and we'll produce what's called wort or unfermented beer. We then use hops, and hops will give beer both bitterness and aroma. Blend those carefully together, boil everything up, then we'll cool it down and we'll add the yeast. And the yeast performs its magical task of turning the sugars into alcohol as well as developing lots of flavour in the beer. So after a week in the brewery, the beer, as we can now call it, is ready to be either run into casks or sent away for bottling. These days we often hear we don't make much in this country, however what we do make are some wonderful foods and some wonderful drinks, and clearly within the wonderful drinks are beer. There's a fantastic range of beers available now to the drinker. Over 1,000 breweries now operating in this country, more than can ever be remembered, and we really should be celebrating beer because it is our national drink. So why not come along to Hook Norton, see how we make the beers, see the raw materials we use, and most importantly, sample some of them. We look forward to welcoming you here. Cheers.